We're running a train from Westchester tomorrow, so if you want to come and actually ride the railroad.
I see.
Hey, how are you? Can I answer any questions for you at all?
Can't think of anything at the moment.
Okay.